watch the FIFA World Cup, had the campus adventure, and the guest speaker from Perth, Canada. I hope all of you are having fun with us at this school.
Okay, it's challenge time. So first of all, there's a writing challenge every week. On the SEC website, you can look what this week's prompts are and share your writing with me. Now the other challenge involves going to main campus. Come with me, I'll show you. I'm on campus, I've gone to a few places. I want you to tell me one thing that you would do in each of these places. For example, this is the Rutherford Library. In this library, I would study. Okay, your turn. Here are a few more. This week, our theme is volunteering. So doing some work that you're not paid for just because you want to be helpful or it's a good thing to do. Now, over the years, I have volunteered in many ways, big and small. I've coached community soccer, I've done pet therapy, and currently I make YouTube videos for low-level English language learners. Now, I volunteer because I enjoy it. It's fun to give back and make a difference. But did you know that there are also benefits for the person doing the volunteering? Let me tell you more. When you volunteer, you can gain confidence, make a difference, meet people, be part of a community, learn new skills, take on a challenge, and have fun.
So I want to volunteer in a judo competition because I can make new friends and they will do the same sport as I.
I want to be volunteering with teaching assistant in Japanese classes because I think I can make a lot of Canadian friends easily. Me too.
I like to be a volunteer in the environmental protection department because in my hometown the weather here is really suck and so it's one of my wish. That's why I chose to be a volunteer here.
So we want to volunteer after we finishing the EAP 145 because I want to continue improve my English language skills.
And it's an opportunity to make new friends.
As always, there are lots of choices this week. You can do the online lesson, or you can come to one of the in-person workshops. On Monday, we're working with verb tenses, their form, meaning, and use. On Tuesday, we have a special guest speaker, our EAP instructor, Barbara. Barbara, what are you going to be talking about?
Hi everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm an instructor here at the English Language School. I would like to invite you to join us at the SEC workshop on Tuesday at 1 o'clock. I want to share with you about some of my experiences volunteering. Volunteering is an important part of Canadian culture and it has so many great benefits for students and the community. Join me as I talk about volunteer experiences here in Edmonton and around the world. See you there!
On Wednesday, in our reading and writing workshop, we're going to be working on creating outlines and using transition words to link our ideas more effectively. On Thursday in Conversation Club, we will talk about giving back. So discussing ways that you volunteered in the past and ways you might be interested in volunteering in the future.
This Friday, we are going to Edmonton Public Library in downtown. There are a lot of services for you to discover. We always have fun in the library. If you want to join, remember to sign up. There are 4 more Kahoos in this term. Congratulations to Jeff because he is in the lead. Join us every Wednesday during the break. We always have fun. Looking forward to seeing you.
On Thursday, you're invited to come to the SEC space at 7:45 a.m. Come watch World Cup soccer as Canada takes on Morocco. Bring your breakfast.
And this was
Simon said.